Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how much do regions charge for ATM withdrawal. This is a question that a lot of people ask, and I'm happy to answer it. Before we get into the details, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to withdraw cash from an ATM, but you didn't have enough money in your account? Or maybe you've been charged a fee that you didn't expect? If so, you're not alone. ATM fees can be a real pain. They can add up quickly, especially if you use ATMs frequently. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out how much your bank charges for ATM withdrawals. I'll also give you some tips on how to save money on ATM fees. How to find out how much your bank charges for ATM withdrawals. There are a few different ways to find out how much your bank charges for ATM withdrawals. Here are a few tips. Check your bank's website. Most banks have their ATM fee information listed on their website. Call your bank's customer service line. You can ask a customer service representative about ATM fees. Check your bank statement. Your bank statement will show you any ATM fees that you have been charged. Here are some things to keep in mind when checking your bank's ATM fee information. Some banks charge different fees for domestic and international ATM withdrawals. Some banks charge different fees for using ATMs that are not owned by their bank. Some banks offer fee-free ATM withdrawals at certain locations. Tips for saving money on ATM fees. Here are a few tips for saving money on ATM fees. Use your bank's ATMs as much as possible. This is the best way to avoid ATM fees. Use ATMs that are located in stores or gas stations. These ATMs are often free to use. Avoid using ATMs at airports or hotels. These ATMs usually charge high fees. Be aware of the fees that you will be charged before using an ATM. If you are traveling, be sure to find out what the ATM fees are in the country you are visiting. ATM fees can be a real pain, but there are a few things you can do to save money. I hope this video has helped you learn more about ATM fees and how to avoid them. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I would also like to encourage you to share this video with your friends and family. The more people who know about ATM fees, the better off we all will be. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.